Let's do the wheel brakes on this 2017 Ford F150. Here are the parts I'm gonna use. Let's start by removing our brake reservoir cap. And the next part is very critical so you know how to put the vehicle in service mode. We're gonna use this skin tool to put the wheel brakes in service mode. I'll post a picture of how to do it manually. Necessary on those Ford vehicles, but for the ease of the installation, I'm gonna use the skin tool. So, automatic selection, read. It's a 2017 F150 EcoBoost. Let it do its thing. Yes. And now we go to hot function, electronic pocket brake, replace brake pad, and hit OK. You can see, you can hear the parking brake whining back there. There it is, it's in service mode now. So turn the ignition off. And when I come back, I just have to press the OK button to get out of service mode. There you go. Let's do it. Let's start by compressing our caliper using a screwdriver like this. Make sure the piston is fully inserted all the way. And now we're gonna remove the caliper bolt. It is a 30mm. You're gonna use a 17mm wrench like this to hold the nut in the back while you're removing the 30mm. There you go. You do the same thing at the bottom, but you need two hands to do this. There you go. You take the caliper, put it on the side. Our piston is fully compressed, as you guys can see. Now let's take out our old brake pad. There you go. Let's take our old hardware, the old clips, and we're going to clean the bracket. On those vehicles, you don't have to remove the wheel caliper bracket. You can leave it in place, and you'll be able to remove the brake rotor, like I'm doing right now using a hammer. Hit it a few times to get it loose, and you'll be able to clean the wheel hub and the caliper bracket using a wire brush like this. Doesn't have to be perfect. Do the same thing with the bracket. It's pretty good, pretty shiny. We're going to clean out our brake rotor with brake cleaner to remove the rust protection. You can use soapy water as well if you want. Let's put our new clip in. Pay attention to the orientation, guys. Same thing for the top. There you go. Now we're going to re-grease our caliper pin. We're going to grease our brake pad, just the top. Install it. Put our caliper back on. good. I post at the end of this video, you will see a little information on how to take the vehicle out of the service mode. Pause to read it. And now let's put our reservoir cap back on. To take the vehicle out of the service mode, since I already have the skin tool, I just get back in the vehicle and get it out of service mode. But if you follow that instruction, you do the same thing. It's just manual. You'll see the red light flash pretty soon, and the skin tool will tell you that the vehicle out of service mode, and that's it, guys. Pretty simple. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one, guys. Thank you.